Okay, let's do a full breakdown of this Euro USD trade that I took. Okay, so looking at the daily time frame, the bigger scale, price is overall bearish. Price has been pushing up, but this is just a pullback. That's an order block on the daily, but there's also internal range liquidity here. So I'm expecting price to have some sort of reaction from this point, because overall trend is a bearish trend, but price is just pulling back. So that's what I expect for price to have a reaction from this point. Okay, so let's play price. As you can see, price has tapped into that point. There's a very big liquidation right here. You can mark out these highs, all these highs right here. There's a big liquidation right there. So price liquidated this. It didn't close above this order block, this daily order block. So now let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see what that looks like. So clearly on the 4-hour time frame, you can see price tap into this daily order block, creating these levels of liquidity right here, which was swept by this impulsive move upward. Also displacement to the downside. So that's a good sign that price is having a reaction from this point. So we're going to capitalize on that. And if you look closely over here, there's a breaker block that was formed by this impulsive move downward, as well as internal range liquidity. Let's mark that out. Okay, so this right here is the breaker block. Let me change the color so it stands out a bit more. Okay, so beautiful. That's the breaker block right there. Now let's see what that looks like on the 1-hour time frame. So on the 1-hour time frame, as you can see, price is reacting from this daily order block that also swept liquidity. This is the 4-hour breaker block, and as you can see clearly here, there's a 1-hour fair value gap. I'm going to mark that out too. At this point right here is exactly where I took my entry. This right here is my protected high, the high that swept the daily levels of liquidity and also tapped into the daily order block. So I'm not expecting price to move above that. So this is where my stop loss is going to rest. For my take profit, I'm aiming for these lows on the 4-hour. Okay, so let's play price. I expect price to tap into this breaker block, fill in this liquidity and make push to the downside. Let's play price. Okay, we are in the trade. That's full TP right there. That's full TP. If you want my exact trading model, click the link in my bio.